Let me ask you something. What really gives money its power? Is it the paper that it's written, the code behind Bitcoin, the numbers in your bank account? No, the truth is, money gets its power from one thing, and that's value. That's a very important lesson that I learned in my life, and I think that you need to learn it. Right now, the powers that be has everyone's eyes on all of these digital currencies. The dollar is trash. Go to gold, go to silver, all of that stuff. Now, I'm not here to debate any of that stuff there. You can make your own decisions on that. I can tell you that I did have a very unique experience the other day when I visited one of the antique stores. My wife and I, when we travel, we go to these antique stores, and then we found out that there's some ones that we hadn't seen in our area that was kind of close to our house, about 3 or 4 miles away. And we went in there, and they got all of the stuff that they're buying from these estate sales, and this is like very huge thing. It's coming into my awareness. I've seen some of the stuff on TV, but I didn't know it was that big in my area and other areas. And one of the things that had always kind of caught my attention was that they were selling, some individuals, because they're separated into different stores, different owners. But there's always a few owners that sell gold and silver, coins. They got gold bars, they got silver bars and stuff like that. And I was scratching my head, and I asked the owner, I would like to get the price on that gold bar there. And then he would go and he had to look at what the calculation was on what it was, the strike price. I think that's what they would call it, the strike. And that's what it would go for, that day. And then they would kind of take away some if I was selling it to him, because I was like, kind of explain this to me. He was like, well, if you were selling me a gold bar, there would be a strike price. Even if the value was more, there's going to be a price that I would only offer to you. And I was like, I would scratch my head. I was like, that I'm curious, why would that be? And he said, because it fluctuates. And then I said, well, like the dollar fluctuates, he was like, yeah, the dollar fluctuates. And then I was like, I'm just curious. If I want to buy that from you, what form would you accept to buy that? And he said, well, of course, cash. And I was like, okay, so you have this gold and you would accept the cash that I'm going to give you for the gold? And he said, absolutely, yes. And you know what was running through my mind, like, a lot of people who invest in gold, they like the dollar is worthless. It doesn't mean anything. So, my head was like, why would you accept my worthless dollars, fiat dollars, for your gold bars? And then that's what came to, what came to my mind was that, it doesn't really come down to what is being exchanged, that money is just a tool. So it doesn't matter if you have gold, doesn't matter if you have Bitcoin, doesn't matter what you have. Every society at every time in history used something as money. But what always stayed the same, and this is a very important lesson, is that people had to offer value to get it. So whether you're getting paid in Bitcoin, dollars, bottle caps, the system only works if you can offer something that someone else needs. That's very important. And in today's world, what often determines your ability to offer value? Your credit. That number, your credit score, can either open the doors or slam them shut. Bad credit isn't just a financial issue. It can stop you from getting a home, a car, even a job. In all, the job and home, they can go up in value because you can get a raise and earn more. A car actually gives you value because that's transportation. It may decrease in what you can resell it for, but I can tell you this, not using your feet and jumping into a car is going to get you somewhere a lot faster, especially if it's raining. It was raining here yesterday. And then obviously a house could move up in value. So It creates a trap. You might have the skills, the ambition, the value, but if your credit is messed up, the system treats you like you don't have none of it. But here's the good news. You can fix your credit. You can take control of your credit. You can restore your financial credibility and change your future. At the Credit Repair Shop, we don't just help you dispute negative information on your credit reports. We help you rebuild value in the eyes of the financial system. Imagine walking into a dealership and you choosing the car you want, or getting the keys to a new apartment, or buying a new house, or launching a business because your credit says you are trustworthy. So don't wait for a system to magically fix itself. If money is just a tool, then your credit is your access to that tool. If you need help fixing your credit, visit thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process and my 2-phase settlement process. That's the way that we repair credit and it help increase scores. If you don't want to have your credit repaired that way, I ask you to choose another company. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you, grab my 3-pack of letters, statute of limitations, debt validation, cease and desist collection activities letter. Link is below this video. If you have debt collectors who are suing you in court, original creditors who are suing you in court, visit summonsmaster.com, where you can upload PDF of your court summons and get a fully formatted response to every allegation against you and a defense to help you potentially win your case. Visit summonsmaster.com. You can also utilize SummonsMaster to create an exclusive certified debt validation letter. If you have debt collectors sending you letters in the mail or email, you can upload that email, you can upload that PDF file or a JPEG file, that document, and it will create an exclusive certified debt validation letter that you can utilize. All you have to do is sign it. You don't have to do anything, so you can't mess this up. And send that to a debt collector, and it can stop debt collectors from coming after you, because it's the best debt validation letter on the market. Please subscribe to my channel. Post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.